warn you guys about the tornado outbreak that started just a few days ago. And last night, there were 5 tornadoes in Missouri and multiple tornadoes that touched down in Kentucky. As of right now, at least 21 people have lost their lives. Now, I understand this is a very traumatic time for many people, but it's not over. So this is going to continue into Monday, even in Tuesday for some areas. So Texas, just be aware, these massive systems are forming, and these are gigantic, severe thunderstorms. They're going to bring flooding rains, very strong winds, very violent weather, and you can see the track of this system. I mean, that's an insane size. I mean, that's extending all the way basically from Houston to Dallas as far as distance. That is a massive, powerful storm. And then even over in Mississippi, you can see some as well. Go throughout the day here, it is slightly moving northeast. And then in the evening, you can see Mississippi is getting that system. And then Missouri is also getting some of that as it moves a little bit more northeast. Now, and these systems will continue, right? They'll continue to kind of move here. And this is Sunday about the same time, right? This is 1 p.m. Sunday, and this is 1 p.m. Saturday, right? So about 24 hours later, you're getting hit again with another massive system, right? Again, massive system. And you can see this in Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, again, with that huge strip, right? That huge system. And this goes well into the evening as well, specifically in Arkansas. And in Missouri, you see this right here. This is on Monday. This is 2 a.m., right? So it will be dark. And again, massive systems moving through here. And some areas, you're looking at thunderstorms for 10, 12 hours straight, just straight thunderstorms, right? So definitely be on guard with these systems, right? We saw what happened again. Over 21 people lost their lives yesterday just from several tornadoes that touched down. So just please be aware of what's happening and what we're facing here. And again, you can see that same track going right through Dallas, right? That same massive pattern of those storms that they're following. Again, Missouri's getting hit. You can see Kansas, southeast Oklahoma, Arkansas. There were locations in Kentucky that did not have tornado sirens. They had no power, they had no cell service, they had no tornado sirens, so they literally had nothing, right, for a short duration. And so this is why we tell you guys, always make sure that you are tracking this stuff, always make sure that you know what to expect, because there could be an instance or a time where you don't have access to the resources to get that intel when you need it. So you should always make sure that you know what to expect, prepare for it as best as you possibly can, and then recover after that event occurs. So as always, guys, follow us for more. We give you guys tips on this stuff constantly, and just you guys make sure to stay safe going into Tuesday. Comment if you have any questions. God bless.